Welcome back to another Blender tips and tricks. Let's take a look at the following scene. As you can see over here, we're gonna have by default the X and Y axis enabled within Blender. Now you can go over here onto overlays and you can have unchecked over here for the X and Y, or you can also have Z enabled over here. Keep in mind that in Blender, Z axis will go upwards, so that will be a little bit different. If you are familiar with some CAD solutions that will have Y going upwards. Now you can uncheck those over here, and you can also uncheck the ground floor. So if you don't want to see that grid in the back, you can easily do that. Now within this case study animation, we're going to see that I still have additional lines that will appear. In this case, those will be those relations between components. In order to have them showed or display, you can go over here within object, and in this case, this will be relationship lines. And as we can see, those will no longer be visible. If you want to hide some components, in this case maybe this constraint, I can select it, press H on the keyboard, and that will make that hidden. So this is how you can control the viewport overlay within Blender. You can also go ahead and check additional settings over here. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.